Hey everyone, my name is Chelsea and I'm part of the customer success team here at Bindplane. Today I'm going to go over some of the ways that you can derive true value from our growth plan. So let's get started. The first thing to note about our growth plan is that it will include processors that aren't available in Bindplane's Google Edition base plan. The processor that we'll be focusing on today is the filter by condition processor. So let's see how we can use it. I've gone ahead and navigated over to Bindplane, where I've already got a configuration created and rolled out. This configuration already contains sources, processors, and destinations that we'll go over shortly. The sources that I've got are creating events that are similar to ones that you would find coming out of CloudWatch if you've got CloudTrail enabled. These events are often super verbose and read-only, so we don't necessarily get a ton of benefit from storing them downstream. So let me show you what this stream looks like, where I've applied some pre-parsing processors, such as a parse JSON processor and a filter by condition processor. As our data is loading, I'm going to go into our parse JSON processor, and I'm going to show you what I've got set up. The parse processor allows us to pick a source field to parse and a destination field in order to transmit the results of that parsing mechanism over to. So if we expand one of these events, what we're seeing here is that the fields coming in aren't parsed as key value events. So the JSON parser is going to allow us to actually see that breakdown. And then what we'll do is, in order to filter out these high cardinality read-only events, we're going to define our substrings, which are in the event name field, and we're going to choose the match on that body. After we've done this, we can see that the egress rate is 0 bytes per minute versus 326 kilobytes per minute going out to our SecOps destination. You can choose to filter only a subset of the events that I showed here by changing your conditional logic, or you can choose to include all of these substrings as I did. Hopefully this video was helpful, and if you have any other questions or want to try our growth trial, please reach out to me at chelsea.wright@bindplane.com or support@bindplane.com. Thank you.